Hello everyone. Today we are going to be looking at how to use dynamic variables for creative media files in the GoAffPro app. Here in the Creatives tab of the GoAffPro admin panel, click on the media file. This will open up the dynamic images section. Here you have the option to add elements to the image. Now select the QR code option. This will open up the QR code editor. Here you can edit the text in the QR code. You can click on See List of Dynamic Tags to view the list of variables that you can use in the text field of the QR code. You also get the option to adjust the size, the position, the color of the QR code and the QR code's background. There is also the option to set the rotation and margin for the QR code. Finally, click on Save. And that's it. Thank you.